Shorthand property. So which one is better here? Shorthand property is better, no doubt. But first we will see that example on padding. But only the difference is, sir, padding means padding will not take negative numbers. Negative values it won't support. Margin support negative values, but padding won't support negative values. That is the first difference. Second is, when you are working with margin, outside the border space will come. If you take padding, inside the border space will come. Understood my point here now? So let's see this one now. Same example, same value, auto, percentage. Okay. Yes. Same, inherit, same is there here. So let's see, I'm writing one example one for you people. So let's say I have taken one padding. So I have taken 2 pixel solid, that blue color. So like this came, but there is very less gap. So what I want to do, I am telling padding from top 100 pixel, padding right 100 pixel. Order is not important. You can take in any order. Which property you are taking, that property will work. But we know very well clockwise 12, 3, 6, 9. Like that we are following that properties. Bottom, yeah, bottom we can take 100 pixel and padding right, I'm taking 100 pixel. Left, right. Okay. So now you can see here, everybody focus. When I go there, refresh. If you see, it is not coming space outside the border. Space came inside the border. Many people will get confused in margin and padding. So please don't get confused. So that point you need to understand. First one. Sir, I don't want to take pixels. I want to take percentage. You can take percentage also. Your wish. So let's say first take the percentage. You can say, let's say 10%. Here I'm telling 15%. And then what we need to do? 25%. 25%. Something like that I have taken. And now you can see auto, I will not explain here also. Here it's coming 10. Okay. Then 15. And you know, a lot of gap is there right side and bottom. So like this we can take. So here 20, left side is what here? 25. Like this we can take percentages also. Otherwise we can take inherit also now. So let's go to inherit, example 3. Example 3 means you can see here, I will take 100 only. 100 pixel, 100 pixel, 100 pixel, 100 pixel. And let's say this is not paragraph, this is diff. So tell me, who is the parent here? Div is a parent. Who is the child? Paragraph is a child. So let's say for paragraph also, I want to do the code. Border 2 pixel solid red color. Okay, now you focus. So see this. One more 0 we need to add. Okay, now. So now tell me, if you see properly, for parent we have taken what here? 10 pixel, 10 pixel, sorry, 100 pixel, 100 pixel, 100 pixel, 100 pixel. But for child we have taken? No, na. For child, you see in the red color, no space for child. So what I am telling is nothing but I want to take copy. What I need? Inherit. What my parent took, I want to take same only. Here we need to take that only. And now you can see this. We can take like this. What my parent is taking, same child is also taking. Understood my point? So this is known as what here? Inherit. So now I want to say here, if padding contains 4 values, padding, here I am giving same 25 pixel, 50 pixel, 75 pixel, 100 pixel. Tell me what is the order? Top, right, bottom, and left. Here order is important. Here is order is important. So we need to follow that order only. That is the reason in every time when I am explaining, I am following this order only. Top, right, bottom, left, so that you can understand this order also. There it is not important. You can take in any order. You can take one property only. So now you can see this in example. So what I want to do now, I want to take this padding, copy, go there, and I don't need any diff. Let me remove the diff. I want to take 100, not 100 also, remove. For this paragraph, shorthand property I'm using 4 values. Instead of giving 4 names, 4 values, directly 4 values. First one 25, right seat 50, 75, 100. Like that it will come. Yes, we know already this. Next, what we can do? If padding contains 3 values. 3 values means what's the order? Yes, you know very well. Top. Yes, we can say left and right. Left and right. Next is what here? Bottom. This is the order we need to follow. So let's see this, copy this one. I want to do here, save. And top, you can see 25. Bottom, you can see 75. 25, 75. Left and right, what here? 50, 50. So like that it will come. So what I want to tell you next, if padding contains 2 values now. Last time we have taken 3. Now we need to take what? 2 values. 2 values means, tell me what are those? Top and bottom, left and right, like this. I'm taking 50, 50 for top and bottom, left and right 70, 75. 50, 50, 75. Anyhow, right side, lot of gap is there. Last one, if padding contains only what here? 1 value. As I told you, it is exactly same as what? Margin only. So when I am taking 50, all sides are 50 pixels. So let's see this, what I'm going to do now. Let me take pixels. Exactly 50, 50, 50 is taking, sir. Understood everybody? But only one point you need to understand, note point. What's the note point? Padding does not allow negative values. Margin will allow what here? Negative values. Padding does not allow negative values. Okay now. So I hope you people understood 2 properties only. One is called padding and margin. Yes? Yes, sir. Okay. Online people understood till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I will give you CSS height and width properties. This is also very, very important for us. See, height and width means, sir, I didn't understand. Assume that I have taken one div here, div, empty div. This is just a div, empty div. For this div, what I'm doing is I'm taking div. For div, I'm taking border 2 pixel solid black. So I am calling the div. So see this, when I do refresh, only one line is coming. Some line is coming. Means border is coming. Border means 4 sides. But there is no height and there is no width. So if you want to keep height and width, you can take what? Height 200 pixel, width 200 pixel, like that. And now you can see this, refresh. Now you got an idea, na? So like this, we have taken height and width. If you want to take, you can take. Okay, sir, understood, sir. How to take height, we got it. Width also we got it. Example 2. Sir, example 2 means what I want to do. I'm taking something called like this. I'm telling minimum width. Minimum is what here? It should start with 200 only. And minimum height, it has to starts with what? 200, like that. So see this, minimum is how much? Here what happened? Minimum, okay, minimum height. Minimum height means what here? I will do one thing, I will keep what here? Max height first, max width. You will understand like this. When I'm taking max width, max height, is it working? Not working. Okay, I will give something here, hello. And now you can see this. What is coming? Hello is coming. Okay, border is coming, sir. But what I need? Minimum width I need how much? 100 pixel. Minimum width I need. Refresh. But what is coming? It is taking 100%. It's not taking here. But normally, what happens, whenever we take minimum width, as if now I will give you for this one. Let's say bold tag. I'm taking bold tag. So let's say I'm going for bold tag. 1 second, guys. This is bold tag. I'm writing for bold. So now you can see this. Refresh, we got the bold. For bold tag, I'm taking width first. Width, how much? 100 pixels. See this. Refresh. Any changes? No. Okay. Height, I'm taking how much? 100 pixel. Again, no changes. See? No. Why? See, remember, height and width only we can take for block elements. We can't take for inline elements. Bold is a which element? Inline element. Inline element does not support width and height. Who will support width and height? Block element. That is the reason if you see properly. So let me say one note point. Inline elements do not support width and height properties. Who will support a block? Div is a what? That's why it is supported. Understood my point here? So don't ask me tomorrow, sir, my width, I want to take width, but width is not coming. Don't ask. So you need to check first. It is a block element or inline element. So only for block element, height and width will be supported. For inline element, height and width will be not supported. Okay, sir. I understood. Next, example 3. Now comes to here. See this, I want to take block element only. Let's say paragraph. Paragraph is a which element? Block element. It is a paragraph tag. For paragraph, I have taken one border first. Okay, border we have given. And now you see this paragraph. And now I will keep the what here? Height. I am taking 200 pixels. And see this. Supporting or not supporting? So for block element, it will support height and width. For inline elements, it will not support. Sir, can I give minimum height like this? Is it possible? Minimum height, I want to say. Minimum height you take. Refresh. Supporting or not supporting? Yes, it's supporting. Minimum means it should be 200. Minimum. Like this, you can start. Minimum height. And I am telling minimum width. Minimum width you can take. I'm just taking what here? Let's say 50 pixel. Let's say width is working. Refresh. So minimum width or maximum width is not working. But what is working? Height is working here as if now. Minimum height is working. Minimum means starts with 200 only. Max you can take how much you want. For example, you can see max I can take what here height 100 pixels. Sorry, 900 pixels max. So see this, refresh, it will take always minimum only. When it will take maximum, when you are entering the details. If you enter your details, last it will take height how much? 900. Like that you can take minimum height, minimum width, maximum height, maximum width. But don't worry about maximum width and height. I will show you later. Why? Because here what we need to do, we need to take display property, guys. So display we have what here? Block, inline block, inline block. That time you will understand that how max width and min width is working. But here we are focusing on what? Minimum. Minimum means start from here. For example, one student came for me. Assume that one student is asking to me, sir, I want to go for an interview. Tell me what is the minimum knowledge we required. So I am telling minimum you require till JavaScript. So that is minimum. So minimum you need to be there. You need to learn that many technologies. Max I am telling you should know React, and after that you should know some small knowledge on Node.js with the database knowledge. That is known as what here? Max. Understood my point here? So like that we said. So whenever you run this paragraph always starts with what? 200 pixel. That is minimum. Max it will go to 900. It will go. If data is increasing, tell me your data is increasing, huh? No, that's why it won't go. But you increase the data, max it will take what here? 900 pixel only it will take. That is known as min, max. So like that we can take. Similarly, same for what? Width also. So like this we can take. Understood till here? So this is known as what here? Height and width property. Then I want to explain CSS text properties. Text property means first I want to explain about color. So see this, I am writing a paragraph here. This is paragraph. For this property I am taking color. What I am taking? Red. So automatically this is paragraph will come with what color? Red color. Like this we can take color property. So second I will give you background color property. What property? Background color property. So it will keep the background color. For example, I am telling background color, let's say yellow. And now you can see this. Background comes with what? Yellow color. Like this we can set the background. Example 3, next third property. That is known as what here? Text align property. Which property? Text align. I will give you some examples here. Example 1. Example 1 means we can say text align. I am taking right side. Right side I want to make it. Refresh. Where it is coming? Right side is coming. We can keep it in the center also if you want. Center means what we can do? Center we can use. Align means it will get aligned in the center. No, sir, I want to make it in the left side. You can make it left side also. Default it is what here? Left only. Default it is. So default, automatically it will comes to left side. Understood everybody? Okay. So like this we are working with what here? Text align property we have seen. Okay, that is third one. Fourth one. Fourth one is nothing but I want to explain about text transform property. What property? Transform property. Example 1. See here. So tell me I am writing this is the paragraph. So I am telling text transform. I want to make it uppercase. What case? Uppercase. Refresh. All are coming in what case? Uppercase will come. Example 2. Lowercase also we can do. Lowercase. All are becomes what here? Lowercase. Sir, I want to make it what here? Capitalize. Example 3. Capitalize. Initial letter capital. So you can make it here. Capitalize. Capitalize means everything will come with init cap. T capital, I capital, P capital, T capital. Init cap. Initial letter capital. Understood everybody? So text transform property is available. Example 4. Sir, what we can do is nothing but example 4 over. So total how many properties we have seen? 4 properties now. Okay, let's go to the fifth property. Fifth property is nothing but text decoration we can take. What we can take? Text decoration property. Text decoration means you can see we can take text decoration, we can take underline. What we can take? Underline property. You can see mostly we are using underline property. Otherwise we are taking text to decoration none. Only we are using 2 values mostly. Example 2. Example 2 means anchor tag, sir. Anchor tag I am using a href. Here I am telling click me. Click me. Here I am telling the //www.google.com. So tell me when you click where it will go? Google. But I am telling text decoration none. I don't need any underline. See this? Refresh. Sorry guys. I need to write a tag, not p tag. For which tag? A tag. So now you can see this. Refresh. But if you click, it will go to Google only. Don't worry. Understood my point here? No? So mostly we are taking what here? Text decoration underline. Otherwise we will take text decoration none. These are the widely used properties are there, which we need to focus. Fifth one is over. Now we need to go with what here? Sixth one. Sixth one, what we need to do? See here. We can take letter spacing property. What property? Letter spacing property. For example, I have taken one H1 tag. I am telling I have talent. Let's say H1. I am not doing anything. I'm just telling color should come with what here blue. I want to make it what here background color red. No. I will say hash C3 C3 C4. See, everybody focus now. It comes like this. So now tell me, any letter spacing is there? No. Now you can see this letter spacing. How much pixels? 2 pixels. And see the difference. Some space after every letter or not? You can move it many things, guys. Many things. Example, I will give 6 pixels. Oh my God, 6 is too much. I will give 4. Refresh. So letter spacing, after every letter, space will come. 4 pixel space will come. If you want, you can give that also. Let's say example 7. Vertical align. Vertical align property is also there. Vertical align property means I want to take one image, sir, image. Let's say one paragraph first. Dwayne Johnson is a Hollywood actor. Okay. And he worked in many movies to show his actions and curiosity. Okay, just I wrote like this. So let's see this one now. One paragraph came, like this paragraph came. And now what I need image also. Image of that Dwayne Johnson. Dwayne Johnson image means how to take image source images slash what is that crop.png, and I need width only. I need 50 pixels. Height I need 50 pixels. Small only, small image I want to take. So see this. Okay, image is coming like this. Okay, what happened then? So see this. This is the paragraph. This is the paragraph, and here you can see what here image. And if you see properly, here you can find here. You can see this. What you can find here is that it is coming in the same line now. It is coming in the what? Same line like this. Same line here. Right now it's looking like this. Okay. So what is my requirement is, understands here. I want to go there. I want to make it for paragraph, not image. For image, I want to do img. For image, what I want to do is, I want to make it vertical aligner. I'm telling what here bottom. Vertical align bottom. Refresh. See this, it is came down or not? Means somewhat center it is came. Somewhat, I mean to say, image came top and bottom both. So we can give vertical align bottom. That is one example. Let's go to the example 2. What we can do is, we can make it top also. Top. So that time if you see, it will go to the top. Where paragraph is coming? Top. Top is coming like this paragraph. No, if you need with same line, default one, center. Default one is what? Center we can take. See this. I'm taking center. Center means our default one, which will come exactly to line like this. Understood my point here, no? So this is known as what your vertical align property. We can take like this if you want. So total how many properties we completed? 7 properties completed. Let's go to the 8th property now. 8th property means what we need to do. I want to take font size property. Font size property means, for example, currently I'm working with paragraphs, sir. Assume that this is my paragraph. Let's say this is paragraph. And I am telling this is P tag. So paragraph means it is coming like this small. So I am telling font size, I'm giving 40 pixels. And see this. How much came? 40 pixels came. Like this we can change. 9th one. Even we can give font weight. What property? Font weight property. Font weight means, see this. Font weight, I'm giving bold. What I'm giving? Bold. See this. Refresh. Bold came or not? So font weight we can give bold. That is example 1. Otherwise you can give thin. If you don't read bold, you can go with what? Thin. Example 3, even you can go with what here? Medium. What we can do? Medium. There are 3 values are there, sir. What is that one? Bold. Thin. Thin, you can see this. Thin. Thin, you can see. Thin. Even we can go with what? Medium. So medium will work for some properties. Don't worry. So even if you want, you can take like that also. 800. 800 what? Pixel. It's working? No. So currently you can take font weight for what here? Bold. Otherwise you can take what? Thin. So like this we can take as if now. Understood till here? Example 3. So we have taken font weight. Even we can do 10th one. Font style, sir. Style means if you need italic style, we can take a font style. What I'm taking? Italic. See this, it will come with italic style. So now you can see this. Here I'm removing this bold because here I want to write font style italic na. We can take a not working. Only style is for what here? Italic, it is there here. And sorry? No, that is not style. Okay. So remember that point here. We have seen style. Now we need to go to the which property which you are telling. I will explain that also. 11th one is nothing but font family. Font family means it will comes that one. For example, font family, I'm taking Arial. What I've taken? Arial. You can take serif, sans serif. See the difference. Some small changes you can see or not. So that is known as what here? Font family. You can take serif, sans serif. Example 2. You can, instead of Arial, you can take what? Serif. Example 3. We can take a sans serif. Okay. Example 4. You can see all the font families are See this font family, you can check in the Google. I will give you the list of font families. Font families in CSS. See this, what are the font families are there? How many are there? You check. Serif, sans serif, monospace, cursive. Understood my point here? So you just check. Here I am taking what here? Cursive or let's say monospace. You can find like this. So like that you can take any family if you want. I'm just showing you the idea. What are the properties are there? Understood my point here now? So total how many properties we covered here? Okay. Now I will give you one design for you people. You people said, nah, sir, I understood my properties today's class. If you understood, you will do this design. Otherwise, you can't do the design. So what I want to give you, CSS, I want to give you sample design for you people. So understand what is my requirement first. I want to take this is my web page. Assume that this is my web page. In this web page, exactly in the center, I need one border, one div. What is this? Div. Div is coming in the center, sir. Center, exactly in the center. And then inside this, I want to take paragraph. Paragraph. I want this paragraph here. 1, 2, like this. Total how many I want? I will take all of them. So total how many paragraph? One paragraph only. Big paragraph I will take like this. Understood my point here now? And if you see properly, there is a space is there around the element. Space is there or not there inside the border. Otherwise I will keep like this. Let me take a brown color, anything you can say, brown color like this, and inside that paragraph. So tell me, this is my window. So tell me, in window means what we need to do? Very good. What property we need to use? First we need to take margin, then only your box will come in what? Center. Now tell me inside what we need to take? Padding we need to take.
Padding property.
Yes. You know very well. So now let's see this one now. Same design I want to do now. You can see here, let me remove the style first. I don't need any style. I am telling, array, you take one div tag. You take one div tag. And inside div, we need to write paragraph. We'll write the later. Otherwise, you want to write the logic, you can write the logic. But I want to write later. So first, what we need to do, we need to write for div. Div, I am taking div. And div, I am telling border 2 pixel solid brown. Brown color. And as I told you, we need to set width. I'm giving 200 pixel. Height also I'm giving 200 pixels. So see, this understands where it is coming first. It is coming left side. I need to move it in the center now. Sir, how to move in the center, sir? We need to take margin. Tell me what's the margin? Left, top. Only two things enough. Two things enough means, shall I use? See, if you are good in individual property, you can use individual property. But if you are good in shorthand property, it is good. So what I will do now, I will say, for div, I will say a div, you take margin. So what I need top. Top, how much it has to move? Yes, I will give you 300, 200 pixels. And left and right, I will say 100 pixels. From top and bottom, 200, 200. Left and right 100 is not working. Instead of 200, I will give what? 150. And here I will say what here? 300, safe. Somewhat came or not? We'll move to 280. Something we are doing, that's it. Not more than that. Don't bring exactly. I'm just telling you. Understand how we are working with margin property. We got it or not? Sir, I want to increase the size. You can increase the size also. Don't worry. Now tell me. Now we need to go to what? Paragraph. I want to write paragraph. But before we go to paragraph, I want to keep padding, na? I want to keep padding, sir. So let's take padding. How much padding you need? All side. All side I need how much? 10 pixels, all the sides. So refresh. Okay. So padding came. And now we need to give one paragraph. Let's say I up. No, I up. Let me take anything. From internet we will take web technology. Just I'm writing just for one paragraph for you people. Let's say one paragraph. Save. Now you go there. Refresh. But is it fitting to that size? No. So I need to increase the size here. Width I want to take 250. Height also I want to take 250 because box size is very small. It's coming or not coming? Assume that this is coming, sir. What I will do is I will do one thing. Okay. So anyhow, see here, focus here, focus. What I need is still it is not looking good, sir. Why? See the paragraph. Is it coming covering up? This all should come cover na properly. So that time what you can do is you can give text align justify. What we need to give? Justify. Justify means it will take equal width. Understood my point here now? Got an idea? So like this we can take what here designs now. So this example why I'm showing because only to show you. This is the actual size actually. I zoom it. We need to move it more. This example I shown you margin where it has to move 340. This example I only shown you for you people. So whatever the properties we have explained, we have seen today, how to use those properties to make a design. So you can do anything, guys. You can write anything here. Any type of code we can do. So here we can write. I can say color should come what here, some light color. Okay, not color. I will say what here, font style. I can say what here, italic. You can write anything, sir. You can say font family. You can take a monospace. Otherwise, you can use cursive. Cursive we can use. And I am telling transform. Okay, text transform. Decoration I don't need. No decoration. Text transform. I am telling what? Uppercase. Even I can take what here? Letter spacing if you want. Just I am telling you. All the properties, whatever we explained, all you can apply here. Refresh. Cursive. Again, we need to adjust the boxes, height and width. So let's say height, let me increase 300, 300. And now you can see this, refresh. Still I need to increase more. Let's say 350, 350. Now it looks good. Cursive came now. What came? Cursive. Cursive will come like that. Italic also, and it is what here? Cursive format. It is font family. Understood everyone? How to do designing? So this is how we can do designing also. So unfortunately, today we will finish here only. But remember, when we meet in tomorrow's class, I will give you first important question on CSS, that is known as types of selectors in CSS. So which is very, very, very important. Don't get absent to the classes. Every day, every class, every property is important. Okay? Shall we wind up now? Thank you guys. Thank you. Online people will meet tomorrow. We'll continue this. Thank you.